So today we are going to see a slight threat over portions of the Midwest, and this is really going to be some pop-up storm development that will occur in the mid to late afternoon hours. The rest of the nation is just seeing some pop-up thunderstorms and rain showers that won't probably go severe. In that marginal area, we are expecting a few of the early morning showers that are going to break out, but not really expecting those to go super severe. It's more likely for that slight area to be this severe setup. Temperatures today, however, are going to be the warmest they've been across the whole country for the first time this year. We are seeing temperatures clear up from the Canadian border, clear into the northeast, and clear down into the south that are in the 70s, 80s, 90s, and across the whole nation is super nice. The only area that looks like it's a little bit colder is up into the northwest, and that's really the first day that we've seen widespread warm temperatures. We are expecting this with the ridge to stay around, and that ridge is going to have a break early next week sometime, but it is only going to drop the temperatures 10 to 15 degrees. So it's not going to be cold again. We're going to see it stay at least in the 60s and 70s across pretty much the entire nation. Texas, Oklahoma, and other portions of the south are expecting temperatures in the upper 80s, even 90s, and it is definitely going to be a warmer week there. But one thing everybody should be excited about is we are not seeing cold temperatures return, and that is something that's going to be very great because we are here in the middle of May. We do not want these cold temperatures. So looking at your reflectivity for today, we are seeing across the Ohio Valley in the early morning hours pop-up showers and then a line of thunderstorms that will die off by the time it gets into Ohio, Kentucky area. But then looking down really into Florida, we have some of those showers down in the Keys. Back up in the northeast, we do see pretty much the whole day some showers working its way through. But our biggest area is looking at the Midwest. We are seeing really storm development anytime between 2 and 5 is where we're going to see them pop up along Missouri, Iowa, and Illinois, right in there. And then we're going to see them start to travel a little bit towards the northeast. And that is where our threat is today, because that'll arc into parts of Michigan and then back down to the east tomorrow. And so that's why we are seeing that to be very fueled by daytime convection because of these warm temperatures, and that is going to allow for major kind of wind damage and then hail. Those are two major threats right there with this system. Not expecting them to be super big or super severe when we say major, which means those are the first two we're going to see. And you can just tell to be a HP event, a high precipitation event. We are expecting, once again, these to have hail and a lot of wind. So it's going to be a big wind field. It's going to be a major long wind field, not a major in one spot wind field. We're going to see it form along the line of thunderstorms. So it's going to travel hundreds of miles instead of a few tens. And so that's why we are seeing this form today. And that'll actually bring us a severe threat tomorrow that can be up into the northeast and down into parts of Texas. Well, thank you all so much for listening today. Join us tomorrow for that forecast where we're going to discuss really the northeast's first severe threat of the year. And remember to be weather ready.